Number 20. A greenhouse has a small truck and a large truck for delivering flats of flowers. Each truck always carries the same number of flats on a delivery. Last week, the large truck made 4 deliveries, and the small truck made 2 deliveries, delivering a total of 2,100 flats. So we sent the large truck out 4 times, and the small truck out 2 times, and together they were able to deliver 2,100 flats. This week, the large truck made 3 deliveries, and the small truck made 1 delivery. You can put a 1 there if you want, for a total of 1,500 flats. What is the total number of flats the large truck carries on 1 delivery? So we want to solve for the large truck. So what we have here is called a system of equations, where we have 2 equations. And there are lots of, well, I won't say lots, there are several ways to solve systems of equations. And this textbook that we use does talk about that. I can't remember exactly where I am looking. I know it's in there. Here we go. It's lesson 5.4. It talks about the different ways to do these systems. But I'm just going to go ahead and do it by solving one of the systems for a variable. And I think I'm just going to use this one because it's already almost solved. And in order to do this simply, I'm going to take out the ghost 0 that's with that small truck. We're just going to say the small truck only went out once. So I'm going to move the 3L over here and cancel it. So I'm left with S equals 1,500 minus 3L. And I know that looks weird. That's okay. We're going to use that. We have this equation solved for S. So we want to solve this one for S. So anything that was not S, we move to the other side. Now I'm going to bring this equation down here. And in place of the S, I'm going to put what we just found. So I'm going to say 4L plus 2 times 1,500 minus 3L equals 2,100. So what I've done here, I've substituted that value for S in here for S, and then I have written the rest of my equation down there. So I have to use distribution. I'm going to say 2 times 1,500, that's 3,000. Then 2 times 3 is 6, and it's carrying the L. And then I have 4L plus that equals 2,100. So I'm ready to solve this equation for L. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and move my 3,000 over to the other side. And don't panic because there is a negative there. So I'm left with 4L minus 6L. equals 2,100 minus 3,000. That's negative, negative 900. Then 4L minus 6L is negative 2L equals negative 900. Divide both sides by negative 2, and you will get the large truck carrying 450 flats on a single run. So I like answer D for this one. It is not an easy problem. There are other ways to solve systems, but this is the way that I did it on this one. Again, if you need more practice on these, look at lesson 5.4 in the Achieve book.